신비짠 배타묵.
My pronouns are he, not him. Cause I'll never be him.
Hey, let me get a minute. Hey, let me get one too. Hey, let me hold on. Yeah, that right there. What the dog doing?
Can you give us a hand? Cheers, mate.
சின்னஞ்சிறு கூட்டுக்குள்ள சொர்க்கம் இருக்கு அட சின்ன சின்ன அன்பில் தானே ஜீவன் இன்னும் இருக்கு வட்டாம்பூச்சி கூட்டத்துக்கு வட்டாயதுக்கு அடவாசம் மட்டும் போதும் கண்ணே காசு வேணும் எண்ணத்துக்கு பச்சை கிளிகள் தோளோடு பாட்டு தீரோ மடியோடு உலோகம் ஆனந்த
Không đang nổi thế không này. I was coaching. Không vừa tôi đâu vậy? Đó đâu phải. Đó đâu phải.
Awesome. And then is there a locking button on the top right? Write a book about us.
When you forget to clear out your browser,
You bloody bastard bitch! Fuck you! Fuck you, bloody! Fucking mother, bloody fuck bitch!
Bitch, you
Bloody fuck you fucking bloody bastard! Benchwood, bloody! You blunder!
No, but why?
Bloody no!
Why?
Bloody
That
fucking!
is accident, then what you wanna do?
Why you fuck me? I fuck you, bloody! Bloody bastard! Fucking running like lady, eh?
It's my life, it's now or never, but I ain't gonna live for it.
Look at this distinguished gentleman. Look at the way he is sitting. Yes, very distinguished. I see.
Alright, today's the day. I'm finally gonna do it. 1, 2... baby, I found the mother lode. Sharon will be none the wiser.
Excuse me, sir.
Oh, shit.
Hello, my name is Tim from the Dog Inspection Agency. We're just gonna need to inspect a few things here. Let me grab this, and I'll just be on my way and get back to you, and then we can. Oh, there's no Dog Inspection Agency. Oh, baby, yeah, whoa. Oh man, the guys aren't gonna believe this one. I can't wait to tell them. Wow.
What ain't guys here? Oh, y'all out here looking. Hey, come here. Let me get a taste of these chimichangas. Man, they expect us to eat this when y'all sitting up here looking robust. Hey, man, you can't be out here chewing on us. Why you call us chimichangas? Well, that's your name, ain't it? The chupacabras, the capoeiras, whatever the hell your name is, you taste delicious. Now you got the little dirt on your fur to add a little bit of seasoning, but I get it. You can't always get what you want in life, and it hurts.
Wonder what these fucking Teds are up to. Sup, Teds?
It's the almighty Jerry.
Hey, Jerry!
We love you, Jerry.
What the fuck are you bitches doing, dude?
We're not bitches, Jerry. Hey!
Richard, what have you done?
Why did you do that?
What were you thinking?
Fuck you, Jerry.
Richard,
Stop
the
it.
fuck? Do I have to kill all of you now?
No, Jerry,
What the fuck is your
Jerry.
fucking
Jerry,
deal,
no.
fam? Seriously!